Next topic, pulses. Pulses. First one is paddy. Second one is millets. Third one is pulses. Pulses are the major source of protein. Pulsesல என்ன மாதிரி கண்டென்ட் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா புரோட்டீன் சத்து அதிகமாக இருக்குது. ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன் என்னென்ன கிராம்ஸ் இருக்குது? பெங்கால் கிராம், பிளாக் கிராம், க்ரீன் கிராம், ஹார்ஸ் கிராம்ஸ் ஆர் த important pulses grown in Tamil Nadu. Pulses grow in Tamil Nadu. What are the major pulses grow in Tamil Nadu? First one is Bengal grams, black grams, green grams, horse grams, like that. Is the main source. The pulses are the major source of protein. Major source of protein. The pulses are grown in the wide range of the climate conditions, mostly in the drier regions without the irrigations. So these crops also, millets also grown not only in the drier area but also grown in the coastal plains. But the pulses only growing the conditions mostly in the drier regions. Conditions of the climatic conditions mostly in drier regions without the irrigations. Without the drier region with or without irrigation. இந்த பல்சஸ்க்கு ட்ரையர் ரீஜனில் வரும், இரிகேஷன் இருந்தாலும் இருக்கும், இல்லைனாலும் வளரக்கூடியது. ஸோ அடுத்து வந்து next, the mild, the cool climate and the low to moderate rainfalls are the best suited for these crops. So best suited for the mild, cool climate and the low to moderate rainfalls are the best suited in these crops. Pulses serve as a excellent fooders for cattle. Pulses are grown in the almost all the district of Tamil Nadu except Chennai, Nilgiris, Kanyakumari. These three states except remaining all the districts is growing in the pulses. So all the districts in the state except Chennai, Nilgiris, Kanyakumari, in the three districts மட்டும் the pulses இருக்கிறது rare, but the remaining stateல pulses நல்லா வளரும். Coimbatore led in the productions of the Bengal grams. Vellore and Kanyakumari district the produced in red grams. Coimbatore leads to the production of Bengal grams and Vellore, Kanyakumari districts produced red grams. Next one is for the important places. Thiruvarur, Nagapattinam, Thoothukudi districts are the principal product of the green grams and black grams. Horse grams is widely cultivated in Dharmapuri and Krishnagiri districts. So in this topic mainly for pulses. Pulsesல என்ன மாதிரி சத்து இருக்கு, கண்டென்ட் இருக்குன்னா proteins. What are the types of the grams? Bengal gram, black grams, green grams, horse grams, like that. And this is most suitable for drier regions with irrigation or without irrigations are growing, and the cool climate and low to moderate rainfalls the best suitables for these crops. அப்போது என்னென்ன கிராம் எங்கெங்கே கல்டிவேஷன்ஸ் அதிகமாக இருக்குது? ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ், ஃபார் Coimbatore leads to the productions of Bengal gram. Vellore and Kanyakumari districts produce red gram. Thiruvarur, Nagapattinam, Thoothukudi districts are principal producers of the green gram, black gram. Horse grams are widely cultivated in the Dharmaburi and Krishnagiri districts. Next topic is the oil seeds.